Baki Khubor ka Bate Se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai Mynmiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police Traffic ke East Khasi Hills District uke Prasad ulapintip bagi pulit ke district kinsanang penjur sho ikjing talasi kali hakapor Mynmiet ban khanglat ikjing lestan jaginonya thok Shaka. Hakajing keran bakilar pathai khubor USP Prasad uliat ho bagi pulit kinyai beteng ban talasi kali hakapor Mynmiet keleng ganang ba Shillong bat ladalap ikinu kibenya kali klam akor on Pynshitom kum kikendon an nya kali.
No any permission being given also. We are also conducting the checkings on the road races. Even the special Naka being enforced at night. The special checkings are also being conducted together with the SOTs and the traffic peoples. So that we are taking utmost preventive measures that this thing should not be allowed in the slum city. Actually the thing is that this falls under the race and negligent driving. These are the race and negligent driving. So race and negligent driving, we take in the race and negligent driving, that is not being allowed with the state drive. That is another things. So we take the appropriate actions. After conducting the checking their side also on every Saturday and Sunday, especially on the holy days, those areas outskirts of the city, that we have put our peoples on the job. And if anyone is found violated, we are taking the appropriate actions.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.